Hello everyone, this is Nandini from CAD NEST Nagar. In today's session, we'll be continuing with the further drawing tools in AutoCAD. So now we are going to deal with the division of the line in two types. So first I'm going to draw two lines here. So I have two lines here now. So first type of division, it is divide. So I'll take up divide. Now as soon as I take up the divide, it is asking me to select the object which I need to be dividing. So I'm going to select this object and it is asking me how many number of segments. So in division, see, we have two types. So first type of division is specifying how many number of counts we need, and next type of division is what should be the distance of division. So that is the two difference between the division of lines. So first one, it is specifying how many segments I need. For example, I need 5 segments. I'll enter it. So you can see there is a division of line for 5 equal parts. So this is first kind of division. And next kind of division is specifying the length. Again, select this and I'm gonna specify some length of 100. So for 100, it is a very small division here compared to this line. So let me take up again the same command and I'll select this and I'll be giving 1000, enter. Now you can see for every 1000 unit the line is being divided. So this is the two different types of division for the line. So after division, I have region here. So in order to understand region, I'll just take up a rectangle and then the circle. Now I'm gonna take this region and I'm clicking the region for the circle, enter. Now region is being created. Right now I'm not seeing any difference in this. So in order to check out with the reason, change this wireframe into shaded one so that you'll be seeing the region which has been created for the circle. So this is how we create region. I hope you have understood the division of line and then region in today's session. So in the upcoming class, we'll be dealing with other continued drawing tools of AutoCAD. Thank you.